Okay, guys, I just realized my mic is on, so just had to replay that part. Okay. Anyways, my mic is working, guys. Sorry. It's working, guys. My mic is working, guys. Okay. What music? No! What music? Someone tell me what music. I am not. Guys, I think I'm a noob because I'm on level 37. Probably you guys are all on level 99, 100, 90, and I'm still here chilling at 37. What do you mean, Everly? Her fake name is Everly, but her real name's David. What do you mean? Reset. Okay. Guys, I have to reset now. Oh god, I don't want to do it. Let's reset. It just looks like I got killed in murder mystery. That was okay. No, that's not nice. I know you're gonna get the big head. I'm gonna slap you in the butthole. Joking, guys. And by the way, Eamon, Annabelle, and Eamon, Annabelle, and Ailey are in my class and in my school, but they're not on my friends. Okay, I'm so excited. A murderer! Say yes, please. Let's get on with it. Who's the sheriff? Who is the freaking sheriff? Is she gonna tell who the murderer is? Oh. Oh my god. Guys, that was disgusting. I'm so sorry. So I actually said bless you, please. Thank you. If you don't say. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you this. No. You guys are all just gonna disrespect me like this. No. You people are rubbish. Rashes, pizzas. Shut up. Yeah. That's just stupid. No. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe, like this video, share it with lots of friends. I don't care. And check out my TikTok. Check out my TikTok for my face reveal. My user on TikTok is it's what's it called again? Sunray XX Addison 223. I just put that in chat. My TikTok. Never mind. It was hashtag. My TikTok is it's gonna tag Sunray XX Addison 223. No space. Bruh. Okay, guys, on my past videos, I played a dummy, and Brookhaven, and now I'm playing Murder Mystery. You guys should comment what video I should do next, like, and watch game. Please don't be royal high. If you guys pick royal high, I am going to frighten. Slap all of you in the buttholes. Be like, pew, 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 pew. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, I'm totally joking. Turning my parents fly right and adopt me for a goldie. Oh. Guys, that was just my mouth. This music's the bomb, right? Let me turn it down. This actually music is the bomb. Kylie! And by the way, Annabelle, Ailey, Eamon, me, and Kylie are in my class. Jeez, I almost forgot Kylie. Whitey. She has a lighty. Kylie! Stop popping it! Guys, I kind of want to try this girl. I want to try this girl real quick. She's a little. I have to light the. How am I not a lighty? That's not freaking. Fur. What the? No way! She's so weird. Oh, this is so weird. I gotta try this girl. I want to try this girl. Oh wait, that's the murderer. I think we got a winner. She wanted to put up her back and get never. I would have done a step but like I hand from me. Please, I wanna walk around and try to still my just makes you wanna talk about it. Say do this thing that yeah, I hit the crook. I got the story. No, sorry. How I'm gonna buy a light. Sipping to choo choo. Lady! Lady, oh. You guys, so she probably hasn't heard me say my TikTok username. My TikTok username is Sunray XX Addison 223. No space. No space. Capital A. No capital A for Addison. Capital S for Sunray though. And yeah, go check it out. And I do some terrible dances. And if you're a fan, thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me. I'm on the trampoline. Yeah. This guy kidnapped the phone. I'm not trading her. I think we got a winner. What you doing? Step it up, but I can't get enough. I'm really trying to step it up. Unless I hang on. Please, I wanna walk around the front of stomach. This makes you wanna talk about it. Say it through his finger. Hey, you swear. Guys, this thing is Jesus and my number. Yeah! That's it. Ailey, stop leaving the game. Ailey, stop. Pew, pew, pew. Yes. Yeah. Guys, I think I'll edit this and put my TikTok username on my screen, and then I can put my Instagram And I'll give some shout outs. If you didn't hear me, my shout outs were Queen Ailey _2 and the cool twin 772. And yeah, they've been good. They subscribed. And if you guys want a shout out as well, just like, subscribe, and comment your username, and I'll friend you. And yeah, check out my TikTok, like 5 of my videos, share them, and follow me. Thank you guys so much for 100 followers on TikTok. Thanks. I don't know why I'm not promoted, but yeah. Pew pew. Ipsy whoopsie loopsie, tipsy tipsy tipsy. Oh, this girl's slick. Hit the corner. Eamon's still alive. Eamon's a little child though. Oh! Oh! Fell in love with the pure. Guess the teachers and the. Guys, I think I'm gonna get some Robux soon. I don't know why, but I really want to survive 51 seconds. Liar! I did it for 79 hours. 79 hours is not nothing, but sure. Why are these all like the worst maps? I don't like that. Okay. If I'm in it again, I'm leaving. That's what Annabelle said. I'm innocent. I am flipping innocent. I'm flipping innocent. Freaking. Shut up! Why is Eamon? That was scary. Did you guys actually see the night spider? Guys, my video ends up to 15 minutes, and I'm on 12 minutes right now. So yeah, now I'm actually on 13 minutes right now. That's right, 13 minutes. So I only have like 2 more minutes left. Sorry. Woo! Pew. And guys, yeah, sorry I don't do intros anymore because I actually don't know how to edit it. I'm not. Hey, so I'm back. Hi, Mel. Oh, sorry, my chat's broken. So no, my chat's not. No, I cannot. Do this, I cannot. Okay. Let's try joining real again. Hi, hey, Wax. Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry, guys. I'm going bunkers. Help me. Every time you guys need me, like to me, cause I time all these other radio. I am recording. Radio, I am recording. To lover, heart 7, and shout out to lover and heart. Bye. Bye, guys.